Hi everyone, it's Tech Dad. You see that smile? I'm very happy because I've finally received my Rift S from Amazon. One day late, thanks to Amazon shipping. But finally I have it. I can test it for you. If you have any question, any comment, please leave them below. Today I will do a quick unboxing and a first impression video. But in the following weeks, I'm planning to test all kind of games. Is it good enough for sim racing, for FPS games, for movies, for casual VR experience? I will compare the Rift S with the Odyssey Plus. Also with my experience with my old Rift CV1. Is it an upgrade? Should you buy the new Rift S? Please, if you have any question, like I said, leave them below. I will try to answer them in my future video. So please, subscribe to the channel. My English is not perfect. I'm a French Canadian, but I'm trying my best to inform you, to have fun with you. I love VR, I love tech in general. My channel is about tech in general, but with a focus. Damn it! We missed that word. But I have a main topic also about VR headsets and VR games. So let's stop talking and see the beast. Woo! I'm happy. It's time for the unboxing, old school unboxing. I will unbox the Rift S. After that, I will try it, see how the comfort is. The Rift S comes in what seems to be a very high quality box. It was not the case for the Odyssey Plus. It reminds me of the original Rift. We will see when we open it. The product is made by Lenovo, but you see, just by the box, this is not a simple Lenovo product. We also see that the box is quite small because it's an inside-out tracking. But we are all here to see what's inside the box and not the box itself. So let's go. It's the moment of truth. Oh yeah! Oh, I was gonna say it smell as new, but it doesn't smell good. I'm sorry. So the first thing we will check is the Oculus Touch. But I can tell you just by touching it for the past 10 seconds that they are not the same as the original one. And not only because the ring is not at the same place, the feeling is not the same. The controller seems to be smaller. They don't fit as well as the original Oculus Touch controller in my hand, but they are so much better than the Windows Mixed Reality controllers, even the Samsung design one. I will say the buttons feel a bit cheaper than the original one. I'm not sure it's true, but this is the feeling I'm getting right now. In the following weeks, I will try them while gaming. I will come back to you with a final verdict. Also, there is a little packaging here with all the instruction, the batteries. The headset comes with 2 batteries. This means you only need 1 battery per controller. This is good compared with Windows Mixed Reality where you needed 2 batteries per controller. You got the instruction, a display port adapter to, I'm not sure about a mini or micro display port. And now it's time to check the headset itself. The box is of very high quality. My first impression of the headset, it's pretty heavy, but that's not a good impression because it's all the weight of the cable here. The headset comes with 2 plugs, 1 HDMI, 1 display port. It's the only connection you need to the PC. That's a big improvement compared to the CV1, where you needed also to plug external sensor. The headset, like I said earlier, is made by Lenovo, so it's not the same design as the Oculus Quest or Oculus Rift. You don't have any fabric on front. It's all It's all plasticky. The interesting thing about this VR headset is the fact that it has 5 inside-out tracking camera, 2 on the front, 2 on the side, and 1 on top. You will see that it is different from the Quest. The Quest has only 4 cameras, but they are not at the same places on the headset. The only thing I don't like is the fact that we don't have any camera here on top of the headset like the Quest. So I have the impression that when I will play some game where my controller will need to be near the headset and over this camera here, I have the impression that we will lose this controller. But if you had the chance to test it out with a Quest, tell me if the tracking near the headset is better on the Quest than on the Rift S. I will see how good it is right here, but please tell me in the comment below. Here on the bottom we have the microphone. Here we have a button to move the headset on your face. This is a feature that was missing from the Samsung Odyssey Plus, which could have made a big difference in the comfort. The way it will fit on your head, it's with this halo style strap. This comes from the PSVR on the PlayStation. And contrary to the Odyssey Plus, Lenovo added a strap on the top of the headset so you could relieve a bit of pressure from the front and the back of your head. So now is the moment of truth. I will try the Rift S. My first impression is quite good. I'm not sure I will fiddle a bit with it after this video to see if this is the most comfortable setting that I've used. My first observation is it's almost pitch black for me right now. I have maybe a little bit of light, but you have to understand that I have a lot of light right now in my basement to film this video. But it's very, very small and it's quite better than on the original Rift. The Rift S is more comfortable than the Odyssey Plus, no doubt. And what I think it's smaller or it fits better. It puts more pressure on your whole face so it doesn't wobble sideways when I move the head. It moves a little bit, but the Odyssey Plus was like floating and hitting my nose when I was moving. So now I believe I can play some really active games. So that look like a comfortable headset. I will say with longer use. That's not a review of this headset. I will need to test it out for hours to see how good it is. But my first impression are good. I'm happy with it. It's clearly better than the Odyssey Plus. So now I really want to play with my new Rift S so I can give you real feedback about it. Please subscribe, like this video. Like I said earlier, ask your question below. I will be more than glad to answer each of you. See you next time. It was Tech Dad. Ciao!